Introducing the AFL3 Touch Panel PC series with PoE support. The entry-level AFL3 Apollo Lake series come with an exquisite matte black appearance. The screen features an anti-glare, anti-UV coating and IP64 waterproof design. On the rear side, the fanless heat dissipation design helps ensure the system life without being affected by fan and dust accumulation. It also has two built-in speakers and the E-window on the side. The I/O panel includes USB 2.0, USB 3.0, and LAN ports that support PoE. By using both PoE and DC jack, redundant power can be easily supplied to the system. The AFL3 Apollo Lake can be equipped with a PoE PD BT module, so there is no need to connect with additional PoE PD devices. It effectively helps simplify the system configuration and save lots of time and money. The high-end AFL3 Whiskey Lake series has a state-of-the-art outlook design with rounded corners and matte black color. It also includes AG coating and anti-UV and IP64 waterproof designs. In addition to the built-in speakers and E-window, its unique heat fins designed for fanless operation can resolve 15 watts of waste heat. The I/O panel includes USB 3.2 Gen 2, RS-232, PoE LAN, and HDMI. This Whiskey Lake series can be equipped with a PoE PD BT module or two PoE PD AT modules. It supports the latest IEEE 802.3 BT standard and can provide up to 90 watt power, which is 60 more watts compared with IEEE 802.3 AT. This provides users with more flexibility to add more devices to the AFL3 system. Traditional control systems in factory often require power sockets, power cords, and power adapters to provide power, resulting in a mess of cables. Today, the new PoE makes expanding high-performance HMI devices no longer a dream, effectively simplifying wiring and saving overall wiring costs. IEI AFL3 Panel PC has two series, the entry-level Apollo Lake and the high-end Whiskey Lake. There are a total of 7 different sizes to choose from. IEI also has a full range of PSE and PD products, providing a complete portfolio for AI PoE solutions.